In 60 seconds, here's how to reset network settings on Android to fix Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth. First, open the Settings app from your apps list or the gear icon in Quick Settings. Scroll down and tap System, or use the search bar and type Reset to find reset options quickly. Tap Reset Options to open all reset-related tools on your device. Choose Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth to reset only network settings without removing personal files. You'll see a warning explaining which network settings will be cleared. Tap Reset Settings, then enter your PIN, pattern, or password to authorize the change. Confirm the action when prompted. The device will apply network resets immediately. After the reset, your saved Wi-Fi networks and Bluetooth pairings are removed and mobile network settings return to defaults. If you still have connection issues, restart the phone, toggle airplane mode on then off, or rejoin your Wi-Fi network. For persistent problems, contact your carrier or check the router and modem before changing more settings. Quick recap: Settings, System, Reset Options, Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth, Authorize and Done. Try reconnecting now.